Yo, me don't want you too close to the bad man.
Can't joke. Alright, yo, man. What is up, people? Say boy, your Triplet Storm.
VJ Cartes.
We're there. I go and chill out. Is it? We just
mash up a trailer. Like.
Yeah, and chill. Not my actual trailer. You know. Yo, you have to be careful what you say. You know, when you talk to yard people. Yes, because if you feel say you make police run in for me.
No.
For robbery and all them something you think of some Fast and Furious medicine. Nope. But yeah, today we are doing the first installment of how YouTubers chill out. You see me? This is basically how we as YouTubers chill out. Not the general YouTubers chill out. You see me? So yeah, we're there. We're out in the open. People look at me more while like we're mad people.
Yeah. Literally we are mad people like. You get them eyes, them wolf eyes, you know. Man. People are looking at you with the camera and we are doing thing.
You see, but we no business.
We no business.
We no business.
We no business.
Bad people.
Sooner or later, you're going to see we start walking on the street with the camera and so guys. You don't know. At Jamaica this and people are always pray, it don't really matter what.
So now if you just get used to it and when you see we and we are asked questions and you don't know. So,
things are going to shock.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, because this is just you can call it a hobby. You know?
Hobby.
It's a hobby.
Yeah.
So
when you get that word, your hobby.
Hobby, hibby, what the heck you want to call? Hobby.
Hobby.
You know, you know
hobby, how your woman would call you, man.
But I chose still. You try to cut out that part there, you know.
Yeah, man, say hobby.
It's
yeah, man,
no
cut it out, man.
No, the fact of the matter is, you know, we are young youths and we work and this and that and when we find out so we take up most of our time and our happiness, you know, we have to bring something. And we have to start something to actually take some time for ourselves, you know, create something new, do something that is, you know, can make me happy and, you know, put something out there. You know, that's why I see what they are trying to do this, you know. Ah, bless.
It's straightforward.
Take a while to reach on the top still, especially when they're at Jamaica, you know, things slow.
You see,
nail slow.
Climb, yo, you have to go like some Blue Mountain levels and mountain climbing for reach where you need
so it takes time. It's a ladder. It's a ladder it's a rusty ladder, a rotten ladder. You know, sometimes you take some steps and you see just pop and you're going back to ground zero. See? You know, that's how it is. But
yeah. Alright, so we could get into some questions now, because I always want to ask, alright, you have your woman right now. If your woman have one decent Chang sister. You like Changas or you like Simmons?
I don't like Simmons.
Alright, so Changa,
yes. They're not for too big and they're not for too slim.
Alright, so she will beefy. See, she have a beefy sister and the beefy sister decides so she want to do so.
Meaning what?
I think she want to run things for her.
Wait, me don't understand what.
Alright, she want to give a little party.
But party sell a party shop.
Alright,
you can't mix party with pum pum.
Alright, so you get what me I say then, alright.
Get what you say.
So she want to do so now, see? You that do so or, you know, you that.
But the fact of the matter is...
No, you're not going to get kitchen, she's not going to know, none at all.
We can't make a cheating thing in a cheating thing, brother.
Alright, cool.
You know, you have a few people out in the world where they really tolerate them game there. You know, it's hard to find people like them, but I am one. You know, we will have one woman. And we chill with just the one woman, we go cheat with the one woman. You know, she know herself. So, you know, I'm in a cheating thing.
It makes sense. Yeah, they never see me like this. Is still not your question now.
My question?
Yeah, man, exactly.
Yes, triple SSS. The first time I see your name, SSS, I think of 666. I'm going to say, I wish devil boy this man.
Devil boy.
You know, but fact of the matter is, you know, we actually meet up. VJ Cartes, my channel just started.
Yeah.
Think about 36 subscribers may have, you know, or 39.
The channel link will go there in the description.
You know, my channel is based on comedy, and I'm trying to bring more, you know,
cinematography.
Yeah.
Some good vibes.
Because we want the thing to be different from how every other Jamaican do it.
You want Beer Breeze, you know, man?
Yeah, Beer Breeze. But we want to do the thing different. We want the thing to look more
official,
nice. You know, something with any Jamaican don't watch. You know, the new face on the platform. Because you can't have the same face on the platform and do the same thing over and over every day. So you want fresh face. You want some virgin face.
Talk for yourself.
No, you want some virgin face on the platform, man.
Talk for yourself. Yo, you know? But still, you ask the question or not?
Or you are going to make the movie, sir?
The movie I gonna make. Well, we start already.
We start
already. So.
Oh yes, we want volunteers. We need volunteers.
Yeah.
You know, to make such a big movement, we need volunteers. We need persons. We need bodies, live body, not dead body.
Not
dead
body.
video. No.
See, we don't got red bottom shoes. We got white bottom.
Yeah,
shoes.
we want some people who want to show them face on the camera.
Or even if you don't want to show your face, you can turn your back and just pretend say you do something.
No.
Yeah, man. What you mean? Extras their name.
No, more you zoom up on me when you see me some shape mates. No, look, zoom up. No. We want some people. You know, if you come from Sinton area, you can make it Brownstown or whatever be the case. You know, we can plan something.
Yeah, but when it take us still, we probably travel go all about the place. Maybe go to town. Yo, you know when.
You can't tell last we got to town.
A long time. I go to town twice.
Everybody go shoot.
Go to town twice. I go to town once if go do an interview, if I want work, a country. And I go to town the second time if I go near food.
Yeah, this is my question to you. You have you want about 490 odd persons to make 1,000 subscribers, right?
Yeah, about 400.
Yeah, so at the prayer now, I put a ratio on it. Zane, I'm more man than woman. By your chance.
Alright.
You can't tell.
No man, I can't tell man. No man, you can go in a YouTube analytics man. I'm mostly male man. Can remember say I'm mostly gaming thing. This is what I try to do now. I try getting some holy pop man. So this is where I go road now. And I do my public vlogs them now. And anybody run up on me. Like your brother run up on me and maybe a woman run up on me and tell me say they know me. You see me because they say it her, but you know, I don't have a problem still. But, you know, yo, a sub is a sub, you know.
And the fact is, me, alright, I'm going to explain myself a bit more, you know, because we do videos and such, and it is quite impossible to do videos and put a content out there and the audience doesn't know the person. So for me, you know, I'm a type of person like this. I just want to make somebody laugh, at least one person.
Because she's a hype on your drive coming like she.
How would that? How will you?
Watch out.
Oh, you see Mary.
Dirty boy Jeremy, you couldn't walk like everybody else.
Yeah.
You couldn't walk like everybody else.
No.
You understand? So, you know, I have to explain myself. I have to, you know, make some people know me are. Who am I? Correction. You know, I just want to make at least one person laugh. This is not really for popularity. No, you know, because
Crazy money.
crazy what?
Crazy money, it's all good, yo. Yo, me really just
This
understand
this now have nothing to do with money right now. You know, this is just to, you know, get some people to know us and see the talent that we have, and we can develop more talent as we go. And probably couple years or probably couple months down the line, somebody will, you know, see we and feature we and like the movements and want to create something with we, you know.
And produce, because
produce
yo,
or
if we get
something,
some
because we young in the
producers,
streets, you know.
if we get some producers to help with all the film now, we know we have somebody we can drive we go we need to go. Somebody we can put in some camera work and some other equipment and them say, yo, what heap of appreciation that is it. What heap of
Facts, man, facts. But
is it a wolf man and a fox.
it is easier said than done, you know. It will take some time to get there.
And money.
That's why, yeah man, we spend all the amount of money we spend.
That's some sleepless nights, people. Well, I don't know if
Nah,
anything
me have to
set
sleep. I'm not business about that. Me have
Nah,
to
man. For me,
I
I
have
was
to
like,
sleep.
everybody know me, I was in 3, 4 o'clock in the night.
check it out. When I have to work, you know, I have to do this in my free time. I may have limited free time, free space. So.
That's it. You can't believe, say, we take nearly the whole day for the one, 2 minutes.
Now, man, at 2 hour time now.
What's that time?
About nearly 3 o'clock we come up here now.
Yeah, and almost 5 o'clock now.
Well, guys, we're not going to see the thing what we do, you know, so we'll just like and subscribe to both of us channel if you're not already liked or subscribed, you know. Just support the movements, if you don't want to laugh and see more content, new content on the street, support the movement.
Yeah, and if you don't like this style of video, just let me know. You can start link up. You can start request some more day off.
And the vlog,
So-
the persons, the other YouTubers that are out there, you know, hiding, hiding in rooms and such, get out and let's meet, you know. YouTubers, Jamaican YouTubers need to meet, link up and create something new, you know, so we can, who knows, we're gonna hit the top 10 one day. Who knows if it's just a simple YouTuber with 1 subscriber. I got end up. You know, we have to put together and unite. We don't always speak about unity and them something like that. So you start down.
Yeah.
Oh.
Got me hard. Yep. 3, 2, 1.
Put the light on him. Yo, what about brother? Why you got the far holding the brother? No, you are not.
Oh, it is start recording?
No, we start to record. Alright. I start. But they shake it, we didn't expect. Shake it. Alright.
Ready? Action.
Yo, brother. You hard to talk to the camera, dog. I swear. I want me lose my touch. I want me lose my touch. Yeah?
Brother, you have 5 things to say.
5.
Man, I have 5 things to say. Brother.
That's why I need to start doing a comedy video because it's like you get feedback.
Yeah, man. Alright, so I'll video it now. As in, I'll use that as a line. I'll video it, and then you'll tell me so I can't catch and sit up on video. Alright, so ready and action. Alright, I'll video it now, brother.
No, brother. You can't video him something, brother. You put up the camera.
Alright, sorry. Alright, do this.
Ready? You ready?
Yeah, man, ready.
You ready?
Yeah, man, ready, man.
You ready?
I'm ready, dog. Man, that's the thing, now, man.
Alright.
Sure, come what?
Ready?
Yeah, ready? 3, 2, roll camera, action.
Yo, brother. Pipe free. Yo, me just want to show you something. Pause.
Alright. Ready up. Take 3.
Wait. It's still a record?
Yes, video. Action.
Why for that, man? What kind of man? Yo. Cut that. Oh,
I make out of that.
Cumberance.
Cumberance.
Camera.
Camera, I call it Cumberance.
But the Cumberance, you would take me to the way too.
Brother.
If I had the camera, I would take a photograph. But you say Cumberance, I take a
So you mean when you say that?
Eh?
You didn't mean when you say that?
No, man, it's a
Joke. Oh, okay. Okay. Alright, thank you. You have a shot still in somewhere. Good. Zane, don't get shot. Like, you can't touch it. You can't touch it, dog. Yeah. You think?
Yo, that shot.
Alright, stop now. Stop. We're going to get some. You like? See this though? Yeah. Raw boy. Rotted.
Yo, that shot.